So my friends, everyone, thanks. First W, yeah.
Hey, go first W. What does it mean though? Last year you were racing on a Bucks van. This year you're racing for the Pro Circuit team. What does it mean to pull this off for Mitch Payton?
Oh man, I'm super happy. I can't even explain it. It's like I haven't seen it yet, but I'm sure after tonight, it's definitely
Yes.
Look out, New Orleans. Congratulations to Darren.
Mitch Payton makes champions and he makes winners, and he just made another one there.
Absolutely.
Hey, spit bubbles.
Well, there's a look at the points. Of course, they got one more round to go. They will be a part of the Vegas weekend. When we get there, that first weekend in May, that will be the final round for the East and the West. And of course, then we'll have the East-West shootout, which will be
You got something brewing in there, don't you, spit bubbles? Come here. Push it out. Very determined.
I think I just know how outdoors is coming, to be honest. But I'm just excited, you know. I had a rough season, but only myself to win. So I got to give it up to the team for sticking by my side and trying to push me through the jams. But, you know, Monster Energy, Pro Circuit, Kawasaki, Thor, Parts Unlimited, Advanced, Volcom, Traxxas, Scott Goggles, Dunlop Tires, Specialized Bikes, SRAM, SoCal Super Trucks, my trainer, all the make, and my mom, my dad, my girlfriend, everybody, thank you.
Great job, Blake. And Justin Bogle, you were making a joke earlier this afternoon that you expected more